to add him to the website. Then
the Phoenix Police Department is requesting activation of the EAS for a confirmed abducted child. Please be on the lookout for a white 2010 Chevy Avalanche license plate J-T-A-3-2-F out of Arizona. The victim's name is Gerardo Romero and they are 6 years of age. The victim is a Hispanic male juvenile approximately 40-50 pounds with brown hair, brown eyes. The victim was last seen wearing a red shirt with a flash and a yellow lightning bolt on IT, and gray pants. The suspect's name is Alfonso Romero Vargas and they are 36 years old. The suspect is a Hispanic male adult and is 5'4", 160 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. No facial hair. They have a few tattoos but unknown where or what they are. Suspect was last seen wearing unknown clothing. Date of the abduction is August 11, 2022 at approximately 1,700 hours from S15th Ave and W Vineyard RD from the mother's residence. The subject's vehicle was spotted in Primm, Nevada on the I-15 northbound at approximately 1,600 hours today, August 12, 2022.
Veteran broadcaster